Hello, this is Rikka, an electric workshop and electric sequence learning guide. Configure the Arduino PLC and check whether the time chart works in real time. Today's lesson is to understand the easy PLC-related time chart configuration and requirements, and check the operation. Take a look at the time chart configuration given on the screen. Now, confirm the contents requested by the time chart. First, the time chart works when SSA off and SSB on. Second, when the number of push-button PBA presses is N. The value of N is greater than 0 and the maximum value is up to 5. Third, when the push-button PBB is pressed, the PLB lamp turns on, N at 1-second intervals and repeats off before stopping. Fourth, when you press and release the push-button PBC, the PLA lamp should wait for half time in seconds of N, then turn N on for 1 second at intervals of 1 second, then repeat and stop. Fifth, push-button PBB and PBC are mutually preferred input interlock relationship, and should be reusable after each operation is finished. Sixth, N value should not change after push-button PBB and PBC operation. Finally, when returning after inputting the selector switch SSC, all lamp operation stops and all input values are initialized. Now, let's see if it works like the time chart shown on the screen by connecting the Arduino PLC. If you understand the time chart, you can easily understand the operation configuration of each lamp. Start the motion test. World of Rikka. Thanks for watching. Please refer to learning. Subscribe check.